Good day, guys. We're on the topic of nitrogen. Why is it used in HVAC? Because people keep asking about this big red tank and what is it for. So the main two reasons we use nitrogen in HVAC is to find leaks and to also braze. So, for example, brazing, we use nitrogen because it's an inert gas. It is non-reactive and it keeps oxygen away. So the hot copper oxidizes quickly when met with oxygen, causing a black flake, almost like ashes. With nitrogen, you don't have any oxygen. It displaces the oxygen, so you don't get that flakes or that oxidization. And that's about the main reason in brazing for me. In terms of finding leaks, number one, nitrogen is cheap, plenty cheaper than gas. So it will cost you very little to pressurize the system with nitrogen. Other than like before when we didn't have the nitrogen, you have to put in gas, and then that done already bad for the environment. So number one for me is it's cheap. Number two would be its molecule size or molecular size. So meaning nitrogen is 2 times smaller of a molecule than 410A. So sometimes you'll be looking for a leak with gas like before, as I said, and you're not finding it. And boom, as you put in the nitrogen, same place, you see it. Because the molecule is smaller and it will pass through that hole or that leak quicker or easier. And number 3 will be a stable pressure test. So nitrogen doesn't change pressures as easily with the change of the temperature. So compared to pressuring with gas, for example 410 or so, they react to the temperature very sensitively. So meaning that you get a slight change in temperature, the pressure will go up, or a slight decline in temperature and it will go down. So nitrogen has a more stable chemical bond that makes pressure testing more stable and easy to detect. And lastly, nitrogen is a dry gas, so it doesn't add any moisture to your system compared to maybe like oxygen, or as air conditioned system will have a lot of problems with moisture.